welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. Hey, real quick, guys. I got today is Sunday, man. Yes, I planned a side job. He's standing out here with his hood up on a Sunday, but it's an easy one, guys. Nothing major, just a window. Okay, it's the only time I can get over here. I've been putting my buddy off for far too long, so I figured I got some free time and a couple of tools. Let me go get this window straight for my man, see what's going on. He's out here at the car. All right, guys, I'm here. Y'all hold tight. Let me go handle this right now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. Let's get it. So they coming apart inside the regulations, you think?
I don't know if people doing it right or what, man. That's why I went on here and
Is the key in here? Where the key is?
I'm gonna deal with you. Everybody else, I've been.
I mean, but they only go on one way. They can't. They can't be putting it on wrong.
That's what I said too. My lady said, "Man, you being too cheap."
You got they giving you warranty on these parts?
Yeah, they get warranty on the part. Oh, I'm gonna put a new one.
Yeah, I hear that. That's crunching up a storm. Yeah, regulator shot. Let me grab my bag.
I don't know what's going on with this. I keep buying on these and it ain't working.
Well, now I will say this: we replace those all the time at the shop. But
what?
Yeah, where you getting them from?
I order them from online, but I feel like I got to get it from you guys. Cause once I get it, when I put it in, it don't snap. That one snap.
Well, these little pins right here.
When you put it in, you can hear it snap. But you can't hear this one snap. Let me show you something. All right, you can hear this when you put it in. Let me show you something. It snapped, right?
Oh, yeah.
That one don't do that. I don't order about. Go play now. Go play.
Okay.
Let's see. This one don't snap.
That's just a connector issue, though. If it do it work though when you put it in?
It don't work.
I
don't order about 2 of them.
Now, is any guts in that thing?
What you mean?
In here. Look, ain't no pins in this one. Do that one got pins in it?
Oh, that's the why.
I mean, look.
That's the why it don't work. Damn.
Yeah, you ain't get no electrical contact.
So ain't. Damn.
Cause these actually go inside the connector.
That's why it ain't working there. Okay.
Let me grab my bag. La 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 la. Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, just cheap quality. That's all. This is built with, actually they the same, but this one didn't last. He said it only lasted a year. As you can see, the cable has come out of the track. Now they give me one. This is at least until I get started, and I'm supposed to cut that. But yeah, it's just cheap. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you to run out and get OEM because I know OEM is a lot expensive. But you got to keep in mind you get what you pay for. I don't know who make this. It's the same one, and they keep warrantying it. So anybody ever heard of this company? Yeah, it is what it is. Get what you pay for. Will an OEM last longer? Likely, because it's made with better material. All right, so just keep that in mind, guys, when you're trying to decide which part to get. He say he do this every year, so let me get this thing put back in, and I'm gonna wrap this video up, guys. This is not a tutorial, okay? I'm just showing y'all what I'm up to today. I don't have time to talk you through it. I think I got a video out on this already. I'll try to put it in the comment section, or I'll card it at the upper right. So let me get busy. Let me finish up, guys. Hold tight. guys, I am done, man. See, I chose to get that out early, so I have the remaining of my weekend to enjoy. Guys, I mean, don't be a workaholic, but when you got a chance to knock some out and make some quick, easy money, I'm talking from a hustling standpoint right now. All right, hear me out. Okay, this was like, I mean, it was easy, so it's hard for me to turn down easy. And plus, he needed me. Like, he's like, man, when can you come? I've been putting him off for the longest, guys. So now I finally got some time that I can run over here real quick and knock that out. He is one happy camper. Okay, come to find out, the reason he's replacing those regulators so often is because the weather strips, the slides, the glides are extremely dry. Okay, yeah, we have to lubricate those, you know, the window tracks, so the glass can slide up and down the way it's supposed to, guys. Yes, lube your tracks every now and then periodically. You don't want no more strain on your window motor than you need, okay? Or you will have to replace regulators often. All right, that's all I gotta say, man. Let me go chop this video up and put it out there, guys. I'll see y'all on the live stream. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.